Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is on transitions and what you can do to have more smooth transitions with your child going from point A to B. So this is one video in a series. Please look through the playlist to see what strategies best suit you. One really fun trick for transitions is to actually have what's called a transition object. This is a very, very common trick that's used by therapists, and essentially this entails giving your child a specific object, whether it's a stuffed animal, whether it's some type of a fidget, something that really excites and motivates your child, and they're allowed to have it during the transition. So they are allowed to walk with it, hold it, carry it as they go from point A to B. This can be really, really helpful for some kids. Some kids do better moving when they have something in their hand. So consider the idea of a transition object, as it can be very successful for many kids. So this is, again, just one tip in a video series. So please check out the playlist and see what makes the most sense for your child.